The question that somebody asked me what to do with that currency that people had on exchange that just filed for bankruptcy. You don't have an access to your money. Can you claim it as losses this year? And the answer is no, you can't, because you have not sold your coin and you have not paid with your coin. There is a chance that after that exchange goes through bankruptcy procedures and stuff, you might get something back. And if you do, that means that you don't have any losses against this year because you still own either whole or a part of that coin on that exchange. Basically, what to do, you will just wait until all the bankruptcy is done, all the procedures are finalized, and then you will receive some sort of answers from the exchange that either everything is gone or you're gonna receive some sort of a payment back. And when you do either receive any payment back or receive some sort of a confirmation that everything is lost, that would be the date when you sold your coin, and it would constitute the end of the transaction, and then you will either realize a gain or realize a loss. I hope this was useful, and if you have any more questions, please put them in the comments. I would love to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.